You think your snake plant is low maintenance, right? But what if I told you that it's silently starving, and that the wrong fertilizer could do more harm than good? Today we're revealing 16 of the best fertilizers for snake plants, including some strange, even suspicious sounding options, like banana peels, aquarium water, and coffee grounds. Stick around because what your plant really wants might just be hiding in your kitchen. Start with the classic, a balanced liquid fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, often labeled 10-10-10, is a go-to choice for healthy, even growth. It keeps your snake plant's leaves vibrant, the roots strong, and the overall plant full of life. Use it during the growing season every 6 to 8 weeks, but always dilute. Too much of a good thing can be deadly. If you are the forgetful type, then the slow-release granule fertilizer is the one for you. These tiny nutrient-packed granules release slowly over time, meaning you only need to feed your plant once per season. No need to remember schedules, just sprinkle it into the soil and let it work its magic. Perfect for hands-off plant parents. Yes, your snake plant is technically a succulent. So, a fertilizer designed specifically for succulents like Miracle-Gro succulent plant food or Espoma organic cactus food, spot on. It's formulated to support their unique water-storing structure, helping leaves stay firm and roots healthy. Feed every 4 to 6 weeks and never go overboard. Homemade compost is a powerhouse of nutrients. If you're repotting or refreshing the soil, adding just an inch or two can make a big difference. It improves soil structure, retains moisture, and feeds beneficial microbes. The result, a richer, more supportive environment for your snake plant to thrive. Aged cow or horse manure might sound gross, but it's packed with nutrients that promote strong growth. Just make sure it's well rotted. Fresh manure is too strong and can damage roots. Work it into the soil or use it as a top dressing during springtime. Now, here's one that feels a little too magical to be real: liquid seaweed extract. It's rich in minerals and plant hormones that boost growth and help plants resist stress. Just 1 tablespoon per gallon of water once a month can transform a dull snake plant into a showstopper. Think fertilizer made from fish guts is weird? Well, your snake plant doesn't think so. Fish emulsion is nutrient-rich and easily absorbed, making it ideal for leafy growth. Dilute it well, it smells strong, and use it every 4 to 6 weeks for vibrant green leaves. Used coffee grounds in your plant soil? Sounds suspicious, but it works. They improve soil texture, offer a tiny nutrient boost, and mildly acidify the soil, something snake plants appreciate. Apply a thin layer every few months, but don't overdo it. Mold can be a problem. Crushed eggshells might look like trash, but to your plant, they're a calcium goldmine. Calcium helps strengthen cell walls, making the plant sturdier and more resilient. Just toss 2 to 3 crushed shells into the pot during repotting or sprinkle around the base. This one feels suspiciously simple. Soak a banana peel in water for 48 hours and use the liquid to water your plant. That peel is packed with potassium, which boosts disease resistance and supports strong growth. A secret from Grandma's gardening book that still works today. Not just for sore muscles, Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfur, 2 elements that help your plant absorb nutrients better. Mix it into your watering can once every few months. Just don't overuse. It's a supplement, not a staple. A weak green tea can actually give your plant a mild antioxidant and nutrient boost. Use it once every few months for a subtle plant-friendly refresh. It's gentle, natural, and surprisingly effective. The water left over from boiling vegetables holds more nutrients than you'd think. Once it cools, use it instead of plain water for an occasional bonus boost. Simple, waste-free, and totally underrated. Pine needles as mulch? Yes, and they decompose slowly, adding acidity and texture to your soil. Great for snake plants that prefer slightly acidic conditions. Just spread a 1-inch layer once a year and forget about it. If you've got a freshwater fish tank, don't toss the old water. Your snake plant will thank you. It's filled with nitrogen and organic matter from fish waste. Use it just like regular water during your routine water changes. Last but not least, Foliar spray. A diluted fertilizer misted directly onto the leaves allows for faster absorption. Use it once a month during the growing season, and your snake plant gets a quick shot of nutrients right where it needs them. Just be gentle. Too strong and it can burn. Still fertilizing your snake plant the old way? Maybe it's time to shake things up. Try one of these 16 powerful fertilizers and see your plant thrive like never before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because your plants deserve the best, and so do you.